your book? Okay. I know. Okay, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Good job! Where's the shoes? You see the shoes? Good job! How about the duck? Do you see the duck? Good job! And how about the flower? Do you see the flower? Good! Okay, what's left? Hang on. No. Don't change it. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? You see the fish? Good job! Alright, over here. Where's the car? Good. How about the boat? Where's the boat? Good job! Okay, I don't know if you know this one. Where's the truck? Where's the truck? Do you know where the truck is? You find it? Where's the truck? Where is it? You see the truck? Point to it. Where is it? Yeah? Good job, baby! Okay, hang on, let's change the page. Okay, where's the brush? Good. Where's the bathtub? Can you see the bathtub? Where's the bath? Good. Alright. What about over here? Do you see the book? Where's the book? Good. Very good. Let me change the page. We gotta work on more on that. Where's the bottle? Do you see the bottle? Where is it? Where's the bottle? Where is it? Good. Okay, where's the bowl? Do you see the bowl? Good. How about a fork? You know where the fork is? Where's the fork? Good. You're so smart. Where's the apple? Find the apple. Yeah, apple. Where's the banana? Can you find the banana? Where is it? Good job. Okay. The book's heavy with one hand. Where's the keys? Good. Where's the phone? Do you remember where the phone is? Yeah, that's a phone. Okay, let's do what we practiced last night. Where's the table? Can you find the table? Do you remember which one that is?
Bubble.
No, it's a sofa or a couch. Where's the table? Where is it? Oh, you're close. Where's the table? Where is it? There it is. Good job. You remember. Okay, hang on. I know. I'll pick it back up. Okay. Where's the sky? Where's the sky? Good. All right. Do you know where the flower is? You know you don't like this flower. Where's the flower? Where is it? No, that's a butterfly. Where's the flower? Where's the flower? Where is it? Yeah, there you go. Good job. Mwah. Okay. Mwah. Where's the socks? Don't fart on me. Where's the socks? Good. Where's the boots? You see the boots? Good. Now where's the hat? Good. Do you see the diaper? Where's the baby with the diaper? You see the baby with the diaper? Where is it? Yeah, way up there. Good job. Okay, let me turn the page again. Okay. Where's the dog? The dog or the puppy? Which one? Where's the dog? Yeah, the puppy. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? No, that's what cats say. Where is the cat? Can you point to him? Good job. Now, what's a cat say? That's right. Meow, 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 meow. Do you remember where the bird is? You know, you don't like the bird. Do you remember where the bird is? Yeah, you remembered. Good job. Oh, what about the fish? I think you did the fish last night. Where's the fish? Yay! Good job. Okay. Oh, this book's getting heavy. This book's getting heavy. Last page. Okay. Where's the owl?
Oh.
Good. Where's the lion?
Ah.
Where's the lion? You remember where the lion is? Good. What does the lion say?
Ah.
Wait, what's the lion say? Do you remember what the lion says? Roar. Where's the monkey? There it is. Good job. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Where is it? There it is. What's a cow say? Moo. Where's the pig? Where's the pig? The chubby, chubby pig. Where is he? Where's the pig? There he is. Good job. Where's the horse?
Oh.
Whee! Where's the horse? Where is it? Point it out. Good job. I know. What else do we have left? What do you know? Do you know where the bear is? Sometimes you find the bear. Where's the bear? Where's the bear? Where is the bear? Do you see the bear? Point to the bear. No, that's a lion. Where's the bear? Where's the bear? Where is it? I'm going to show you. Look, here's the bear. That's a bear. Look at the bear. Good job. Is that it? Do you know where the chicken is? That might be the last one. Where's the chicken? Can you find the chicken? I know. Where's the chicken? Where is it? Can you find the chicken? Good job. All done, baby. Good.